Kuma kombo gwa kamiti ya wuiguano tariki 3 mweri muthiru rikoretwo ri ihinda ria miario mbere ya agenda iria temanitio ni Miena yeri no riu kamiti ino ni iguithanitie mutaratara uria miario ino ikuoya kiwatho niguo yambiririe. Irua-ini riria kamiti ino yandikire speaker mbunge cieri, kamiti ino iguithanirie gutabania miario ino na muthingi wa mbunge na nja wa mbunge, undu uria wonekete tari njira ya kunina ngarari Mukenya kwanza makoretwo mehandite miario ino ndingiuma nja wa mbunge na Azimio makiendekithia igukuruhanio kwa honge ingi.
After deliberations on the three options we had, which were purely parliamentary and extra parliamentary, we came up with in between a hybrid of the two. A hybrid of the two means this, that these talks will be both parliamentary and extra parliamentary.
Mutarata-ini wa nja ya mbunge, honge itiganite iriheanaga mawoni megimaine na agenda iria temanitio nja wa cikaro cia kamiti ino, kuria mawoni mariamukagirwo ni andiki a kamiti ino aria ni wakiri Paul Mwangi wa Azimio na wakiri Muthomithia Nkolu wa Kenya Kwanza.
In the parliamentary we mean that we will have the recognition of parliament recognizing this committee as existing and doing its work as part and parcel of parliament, while extra parliamentary means that we will have people who are not parliamentarians coming in also into the talks and discussing with us the issues in the contention and also assisting us in the work we are doing.
We have set up so far the Office of Joint Secretaries, and we have sought assistance from Parliament and elsewhere to assist us with more people, researchers and all that. The means of reaching us so far is through us, the co-chairs. Okay? If you have anything, you bring to us through Parliament and then we transfer to the Joint Secretary. But if you know them directly, you can also do that directly.
Na niguo kamiti ino ihurwo muhuri kiwatho ni bimenyithitie speaker mbunge ciari ati ni obirwo ni atongoria a ciama na riu marenda itamburwo kiwatho ta kamiti ya mbunge.
We are not seeking formalization from Parliament. We said we are giving notification to Parliament, yes, for recognition, not formalization, and for assistance where need be. Okay, so the issue of adding anyone does not arise.
Ningi mbunge ni hoetwo tafaria mihango ya gucabithia maria mothe mari guithanagirio mutaratara-ini wa mbunge na iguru wa uguo mbunge ikahoyo ithagania njira cia gutafaria cikaro cia kamiti ino kibeca. Agenda ya mbere gucirirwo na kamiti ino yekirwo kirore mbunge-ini igukorwo ri guthagania mutaratara wa kumba IBC weru, mutaratara uria kamiti ino yombite kamiti ya memba 6 aria maiyukitio kuma kamiti ino ya wuiguano.
We have constituted a subcommittee of 6 members. On the Azimio side, Senator Sifuna is a member, Senator Wambua and Honorable Millie Odhiambo, and they are convened by Senator Sifuna. On the Kenya Kwanza side, Senator Halwale, Senator Sigei and Honorable Mutuse are members and they are convened by Senator Sigei.
Senator wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna yagutongoria mwena wa Azimio nake Senator wa Bomet Hilary Sigei yarugamirire Kenya Kwanza. Thutha wa kamiti ino kuiguithaniria kurumirira mutaratara wa mbunge na nja wa mbunge, kiuria kia mahinda na kiria gigucirwo riu nikio kiri mbere, kamiti ino riu ikiraririria gucirira uhoro wigie guthagania IBC njeru kiumia giukite. Grifotera Kameme TV ndigikaro-ini kia Bomas, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.